Good morning, students. Children, yesterday we started a new chapter, The 100 Dresses for class 10th. And now we're going to continue with the chapter. But before I begin with the fresh part of the chapter, I want to just have a look onto the yesterday's explanation. Children, yesterday, let us begin. This picture will going to speak to us about the chapter's explanation. Yesterday we talked that there is a girl whose name is Wanda, and she is always quiet and alone in her class. She even likes to sit towards the back benches. Though she's a very less talkative, quiet, and very introvert kind of a girl, but still she's been teased by her friends, her classmates. This picture is speaking about it. This can talk about it because Wanda belongs to a poor family. Wanda lives in Bogan Heights, a place which is not very well maintained. The way is also muddy towards her place, and she has a blue faded dress which she wears every day. There is another girl, her name is Peggy. She is the rich and most famous girl into the class. She makes fun of her because every now and then, while going to the school, coming back from the home, right, she has only one question to ask her, that Wanda, how many dresses do you have? Because Wanda one day has given her an answer that I have 100 dresses, so she has started a game of asking this to make fun. Let's continue with it. 100 dresses, obviously. The only dress Wanda had was the blue one she wore every day. So, why did she say she had 100? What a story. How many shoes did you say you had? 60 pair, all lined up in my closet. Cries of exaggerated politeness greeted this all alike. Oh, no, every pair is different, all colors, all lined up. So, these kind of questions she's asking her every day. How many dresses you have, how many shoes you have, how they are lined up into your almirah, how you carry them up, and this kind of questions humiliate Wanda, and Peggy finds it funny and she enjoys this. Peggy, who had thought up this game, and the Maddie, her inspirable friend. Why she's calling her inspirable friend? Because she's the one who is also the part of this fun and enjoyment, and that is why she is called as inspirable friend. They were always to leave the last. You know why they are leaving the class last? Why they're leaving the school last? So they can have fun with Wanda. Because every now and then they stop this girl on the way and they make fun of her. Finally, Wanda moved up the street, her eyes dull and her mouth closed. But Wanda does not say anything. Her eyes are dull always, her mouth is closed. That means she does not speak anything, she does not overreact to anything. Hitching her left shoulder every now and then in a funny way she had. Hitching her shoulder, you can say that pushing up her shoulder into a funny way, she is moving every now and then, finishing the walk to school alone. And she goes to her school in this manner alone. The word alone speaks lot many things here. It says that it means Wanda does not have friends. Wanda have nobody who could accompany her. Wanda is not liked by the other children, and the reason is just one, that she's a poor girl. She does not have good dresses to wear. She comes from an area which is poorly maintained, Bogan Heights. Now, Peggy was not really cruel. She protected small children from bullies. Now, bit description of Peggy is given to us, that Peggy, though has been described as a cruel girl because her behavior with Wanda is expressing so, but she is not actually cruel, as when she has noticed that any small child is being bullied by some elder one, she always tried to protect them. And she cried for hours if she saw an animal mistreated. Mistreated, like roughly treated or badly behaved. If she is going to observe that somebody is doing a bad behavior with some animals, so she cries out of that pain. If anybody had said to her, "Don't you think that it's a cruel way to treat Wanda?" And then, if anybody would have ever said to her that, "Oh, Wanda, don't you think that you are behaving very badly with Wanda?" Or that, "Peggy, your behavior with Wanda is actually cruel." Nobody has said this to her. She would have been very surprised. And if somebody would have said this to her, she would have felt surprised. Cruel. Why did the girl say that she had 100 dresses? You know why? Because she thinks if this girl had herself said and accepted that I have 100 dresses, whereas Peggy knew it very well that she is telling a lie. So she just feel awkward. She feel this, that why she lied to me. She feels offended that why she lied to me that she has 100 dresses, and that is why she had made fun of her every time. Why did she say that she has 100 dresses? And then why did she want to lie? This was another question she always has, that why she was lying to me. What was the need? And she wasn't just an ordinary person. Else, why did she have a name like this? She even think it that she is not an ordinary person because her name is also funny. She's not ordinary means what? She consider her that she is a funny girl, and that is why she says the way she dress up, the way she has her name, and the way she lied about dresses, it all shows that she is not a normal person, is not an ordinary person. Else, why did she have a name like that? Anyway, they never made her cry. And even they think that, oh, this is not the reason she cries. This is not the reason for which she feels bad. Because they always thought that they are just trying to say whatever she was trying to pretend about herself. She herself said that she has 100 dresses, and that is why they were pretending, they were saying that they have 100 dresses. As for Medi, this business of asking Wanda every day how many dresses and how many hats and how many this and that she had was bothering her. And now, not only this beta, that how many dress, how many hats, that how many this and that. That means every now and then she was asking her this kind of question, that how many bags you have, how many shoes you have, right? This kind of questions she was asking. How many hats you have. And this was actually every time humiliating for Wanda. See, because she usually wore somebody's hand down clothes. Thank goodness she didn't give up on Boggy Heights or have a funny name. And now, even Maddie was poor herself. Maddie is explaining about herself. She says that even Maddie was poor. She usually wore somebody's hand me down clothes. That means second hand clothes given by somebody or used by somebody earlier. Even she used to wear these kind of clothes. But she thinks that thank goodness she didn't live up on Boggenheinds or have a funny name. Okay? She is not living on Boggenheinds and she does not have such kind of funny name. Rest, I'm going to explain you tomorrow, children. I hope this is clear to you all. Kindly read the chapter thoroughly so that you are more comfortable with it.